So you want more volume in those flowing, luscious locks of amazingness. I think we all do. Well, here are the things that you need to do in order to get the most or max volume out of that incredible hair. Number one, I would say a pre-styler like the sea salt spray is the number one thing that each and every one of you should be doing. I was not always a believer in sea salt spray. I'm like, come on, does it really add that much texture and volume, gentlemen? Then I tried it and my mind and my hair's mind was blown. I'm telling you, right after the shower, after you towel dry your hair, apply a few squirts of the sea salt spray. I would say 4 or 5, possibly 6. And then apply your product like normal. And then grab your hair dryer. But all hair drying techniques were not created equal. If you want to maximize your hair's volume, it's all about going against the direction that it's actually growing. And in my opinion, if you want to take it next level, upside down. This is what I do, and it's amazing the results. Now, a few other things that you can do, guys, to add texture and volume is dry shampoos. Even baby powder is a poor man's version of dry shampoo. A little bit in your hair, go like this, in there, boom, it's going to help your hair look incredible, lifted, and more voluminous, if that's even a word.